Welcome to Google Academy UK, the channel that brings you a free-for-life website and free-for-life SSL courtesy of Google Cloud Platform. So I've just ran my tests, as we can see here. So we've got perfect 400 and look, we've brought fireworks in. I believe I was the first video to do this yesterday, so I've got another video where it's only 30 seconds. And then PageSpeed Insights, we've got a mobile score of 100, we've got a desktop score of 100. What else we got here? Web.dev, that's another one of the pages on my site. That's the home page there, and we've got just that one there. Now, in pursuit of trying to beat this, I've actually gone up to a much powerfuler machine at £100 a month, and it still didn't beat it. So I don't know, I'm going to try it one day at, like, say, about £1,000 a month, because you can jump up and down, so you'll only get billed that few seconds or like the few minutes you use it. So I'm going to try that in another video. But the reason I've achieved these scores is because of the way I do my media. And as you can see here, I'm not on the free machine because I've got another free machine. So for 15 days call, it's cost me 30 pence for that website. See, I've got a storage bucket here. Oh, that's my snapshots. So the storage bucket is where I'll keep my images. And I only use SVGs. If need be, you can convert them really well in Adobe Illustrator, as we see here. So that's where I've done an image and then save it as an SVG, and then you'll upload them into here. And as you notice, you can keep your WP media folders all nice and neat and have no images in the back end of your website. So what you then do, for instance, is just copy a URL, and then let's go back to here, wrong page, and then you can see here you've got the option of adding an image, just standard way where you can add it by URL. If you've not seen that before, watch. Image, and then you just insert that URL from there where I just copied. And because it's an SVG, you can obviously scale it as big or as small as you want. It'll always go like that, so you just bring it back into play. So that's pretty much how I bring my images. And if you're using Elementor, put in an HTML module, and then just copy this in, obviously, your own bucket, your own alt, and then you align it however you want it. If you line it left, it looks a little bit pants over here, alright, so I've done it that way. I'm not going to save that, because I don't want that to save. Hopefully I've lost loads of work there, that'll be dumb. But, and again, Elementor, this is how you put an image in, look, you've got HTML code, and then you can just put that in. Now, if you use WebPs, it's not going to show on Safari, so you copy this again, yeah, and then you'd put a JPEG where it's there, .svg, you'd put .jpeg, so on a Safari, it'd then show a JPEG, which to me seems like a waste of time. You may as well just do them all as an SVG. Right, I've pretty much covered everything there. I use this tool as well, when basically I've done this, and then I go File, Save As, save it as an SVG, because at first it'll want to save as an AI, so you just do that. Don't do a compressed, because it doesn't show, so just do SVG, and then go where? Like I said, go to here, shrink me, just drop your image on. Oh, there, I've got that. You'll just drag and drop an image, select, and you'll save about 91% on the Adobe Illustrator file, or maybe 50%, depending what your file is. So that's the best way to offload your media and not have them in your WP media library. And I'm going to leave it at that because it's 4 minutes. So if you've got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them, and I shall get back to you as soon as possible. Regards from Ramsgate.